Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on KuCoin with a debit card. First of all, open up the KuCoin website and go to buy crypto right here and click on fast trade. So then after clicking on fast trade right here, select your currency. For me, it will be USD, but you can also pick one of these other currencies right here, and right here fill in how much you want to buy. So let's say you want to buy 50 USD worth of crypto, then fill in right here. Now you need to select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. So they have a few different options right here. You can swap these out later for different cryptocurrencies. So let's say right now you want to buy Ethereum. Click on Ethereum, and right here where it says pay with, you want to click on it and click on add card. Now here just enter your card information. So this can be debit or credit card. Then click on next, enter the billing address and then confirm the card, and then you can go ahead and deposit or buy the crypto using that specific debit card. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.